When you're feeling like you need a little pep, when you're feeling just a little sluggish, lethargic, that happens to all of us. There's a really, really quick and efficient way to restore that sense of sattva, and that's through the breath. The breath is the fastest way, in my opinion, to change the state of the mind, to restore that sattvic state. So today we'll teach you a tool that you can use throughout the course, anytime, anywhere. It is an excellent tool to keep in your pocket. The main thing to keep in mind here is that it's a deep breathing practice. It's a variation of Bhastrika Pranayama. And so you'll want to be seated comfortably for this practice. Just don't do it standing or you could get dizzy, okay? So for this pranayama practice, sitting comfortably in a chair or your office chair, your couch, or on a meditation cushion, you'll be able to restore the breath to its fullest, most robust state, and then feel the ease and grace of the mind afterwards.
This is the Get, Reset, Calm Your Mind, Reset meditation called the 1 minute meditation. It's 1 minute, literally, and it, as you'll see, it'll actually change your world. It'll change your perspective from busy and stressed out and incessant thinking to this place of peace and calm. And because it's only 1 minute, you can do it 5 times a day, 10 times a day, a little here, a little there, in your car, waiting for someone, in your office. It's a quick reset to get that calm. And what we hope to do in this course is teach you how to feel what I like to call the eye of the hurricane, the calm that supports all your activity. The bigger the eye, the more activity you can handle, and the more stress you can endure. So we're going to try to give you tools to create the calm. And this is one of the best ones, because as soon as you slip into the eyes of the storm and you're dodging refrigerators and all the crazy stress of your life and in the winds of this storm, you can get reset. So we encourage you to use this tool like a lot, as much as you possibly can throughout the day, because you're going to see it's a quick reset. So here we go. So the 1 minute meditation is just 30 seconds or 30 Bhastrika breaths. A Bhastrika breath is the Bellows breath. So just think of it as sucking the air in and pushing it out as deeply in and as deeply out as you possibly can, followed by 30 seconds of sitting still with your eyes closed. So now we're going to demonstrate the Bhastrika Bellows breath. And because it's a big bellows breath, sometimes it's nice to have tissues handy. Okay, so let's demonstrate that. Ready? And that's it. And the more you give yourself to this breath for 30 breaths, the more you're going to experience the benefit. Okay? So if you all want to sit down comfortably, and like I said, it could be in your car while you're waiting in not traffic, but maybe waiting not while driving. But you can definitely do this pretty much anywhere. So here we go. We're going to do 30 bellows breaths, and we'll follow that with 30 seconds of meditation, just with your eyes closed, and then I'll wake you up. All right, here we go. Ready? And rest. Just be perfectly still. And slowly open your eyes. And you may see when you open your eyes that things are a little clearer. Things are a little lighter. You feel a little bit more calm. So now let's take this calm into your world and do this as often as you please.
For more of these tips, join us in Ayurveda 201. You can sign up now on yogajournal.com.